thought I was using the best product. And I was, as far as I'm concerned, I thought it was exactly that, the gold standard. But I think by allowing myself to understand the technology better and taking the time to do the deep dive, we uncovered a golden nugget. I had this preconception of what I thought backup was. And what was really good was you guys had a refreshing take on it. It wasn't the traditional take. It wasn't the traditional big corporate EMC, type NetApp understanding of how things work, but a really new, refreshing way of doing things. And a refreshing way of backing up, because it wasn't that traditional way of backing up anymore. I was particularly impressed by how you guys were able to read the backup that quick, compress it in such a way it moved off site in such a short amount of time. That just completely blew me away. It was just that next level up, that next progression up. The IT landscape has changed phenomenally, and it changes every year. You have to have an agile and mixed environment. That's absolutely key. There isn't one size fits all anymore, so you've got to have an open mind. But more importantly, you've got to develop a stack behind you that's able to support that level of flexibility. It is key that whatever you use buys you and affords you that flexibility to be used on-prem or in the cloud, or a seamless pane that you could view something that makes your life easier as an MSP. We wanted something that was less cumbersome to work with, that was more simple, straightforward, and fast. Our biggest problem with the backup software we had is that we continually had problems monitoring that backup. We're a proud MSP in the sense that we say to our customers, we're here to look after your IT landscape. But the problem is if you can't effectively monitor a customer's backup, you're going to let them down. Sooner or later, you're going to let them down when they really need you. And we did not want to be in that position. When you look at real, VM recovery or data recovery, you end up restoring a disk, you have to attach that disk to a VM, go through that process, sift through files. It's actually quite a cumbersome process. Whereas, you spin up the backup manager, you look for the stuff that you need and you restore it. It's really simple. It's really easy. As an MSP, you want as many time-saving efficiencies you can in the day. So if it's a choice between a restore taking 15 minutes and a restore taking 3, I'll go for the one that takes 3. But one thing I will say that a lot about the product is actually not just about the product. I think the people behind this organization are phenomenal. Every single part of that journey, he's been absolutely great. And I think as an MSP, when you are looking at products, you don't just want best of breed in technology, but you want to know that you've got people behind you that are going to support you every step of the way. If you are going to make the change and you need a motivating factor to do it, you don't want to be going laterally. You don't want to go from one technology and side shift to something that is possibly the same. If you're going to do it, you've got to do it for the next incremental jump.